This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, we're going to show you how you can install a sound card to your motherboard. This is a motherboard of desktop PC. Laptop would be different. So in this case, you have your motherboard, put it lay as this. You have your sound card. It has many channels. You see 6 channels of sound card here, very high quality. So how you can apply? Check the port. If it has a small port, these are the small. If it has a big port, this is a big port. Check the hole exactly. So I take this one, I put here, and you see how it's going inside. Put a pressure inside. Perfect. It's gone, it's locked. So normally in the desktop PC in your cabinet, you have to lock with the screw here. But look how perfect and beautiful inside this one. From this side as well. If it's not locked properly inside, it's not gonna work. And then you channel this one, you put the jack and other stuff. So very easy. The same way how you can release this one, how you can take out. You have to both sides, little bit pressure as this is takes out. Don't put extra pressure because this is plastic, can break down. So this is the way you can apply, install and also take out sound card from your motherboard or desktop computer. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.